We're gonna try to rebuild our wardrobe with pieces from Old Navy. Let's go inside and see what we can find. That was surprisingly quite successful. Now let's go home and see what we got. Now for an item from Old Navy, I'm genuinely impressed with this heavyweight crop t-shirt. It only came in at 16 Canadian dollars and it's 100% cotton. This gray wash color is really nice to it. It has some drop shoulders for a nice relaxed look in the arms, and the crop is pretty decent on it as well. I do like that this has a thicker neckline, so it is going to survive a lot longer in the wash. And this might be a basic piece, but these are kind of the foundational pieces you do need to build a wardrobe. Continuing on with the crop theme, we also have this crop flannel shirt. Now this isn't going to be the thickest flannel in the world, but it isn't paper thin either. It's honestly a nice little layering piece that you can use to build a nice foundational outfit. The pattern on this is pretty nice as well. I honestly like the washes and variations that it offered. This darker one is definitely going to be something that works great for the fall season. It has faded elements throughout it, and the colors are pretty cohesive together as well. Similar to the t-shirt, this one here has a nice crop to it, and honestly these flannels are comparable to the ones offered by Hollister and Abercrombie. Now chore jackets have definitely been trending right now, and this one here from Old Navy came in at only $25. This darker color is definitely one that's going to go great for the fall season, and I do like that subtle stripe pattern that's featured throughout the entire piece. We also have the traditional chore jacket pockets that give it that iconic look, which make it perfect for a nice smart casual outfit or even a streetwear look. Now at this price point, you can't expect to have everything. There are going to be a few features that are missing on the jacket. Now the most prominent one will be the buttons on the jacket sleeve. This will prevent you from rolling it up or layering in a specific way to achieve a certain look. Now this is a nice starting or entry point for somebody that wants to experiment with their style or try something new without spending too much money. Now I know the quarter zip hype is crazy right now, but let me introduce you to their classier, more sophisticated cousin over here, the gilet or puffer vest. Now when it comes to puffer vest, you can go for a more classier look or you can go for a more streetwear look. I find that this one here from Old Navy is a great in-between option. The forest green color is going to make it a nice statement piece, and the color works perfectly with the fall season, and the quilted elements to this vest here are going to add a little bit of texture to your outfit. Now when it comes to the neckline on a quilted vest, it can go either way. Sometimes it can be a deep V, sometimes it can be a little higher than a turtleneck, but I find that this one here has the perfect in-between point. Now for the $30 price tag, I do feel like it checks off all the boxes, and you're getting a piece that's going to last you for more than one season. Now let's talk denim. There's going to be two different ones featured in today's video. Both have a similar cut to them. This one here is the 90s loose denim in a medium blue wash, and the other one here is the vintage loose denim in a carpenter style. Now when it comes to the denim, it's been a while since I've worn them. I always used to grow up seeing Old Navy denim commercials on TV, so I thought I'd give it another chance again. Now when Old Navy says these are a 90s baggy fit, they're definitely going to be on the looser side and a more relaxed look in compared to ones like Uniqlo and Abercrombie. For a $30 price point, you are getting a decent pair of denim that feels like it's the right weight and it's going to hold up over time. The stitching is fairly decent on it, and all the details on the carpenter denim are in the right spots as well. For an entry point to try a new style, or if you're rebuilding a wardrobe on a budget, this isn't a bad option. Separately, these items don't look too bad, but now let's bring it all together and see some complete looks. For the first fit, I decided to pair the quilted vest along with the 90s loose fit jeans. I paired it with a white long sleeve to allow the colors to stand out and break things up a bit, but the dark green and dark blue pair well together, making it a nice casual fall outfit. The next outfit consists of the crop long sleeve, crop flannel, and the vintage fit carpenter pants. While the crop pieces allow you to play around with the proportions, the baggier carpenter pants allow you to mix things up with the silhouette of the outfit. For the final look, I threw on the chore jacket and the carpenter pants again. This is a more trendy look right now with a slimmer silhouette up top, baggier pants at the bottom, and completing the retro vibes with a vintage snapback up top. As you guys saw in today's video, it's completely possible to rebuild your wardrobe with pieces from Old Navy without breaking the bank. If you guys want to see more videos in this particular style, make sure to let me know down in the comment section below, along with stores that you think I should try. If you guys are still on the hunt for more content, then I have 2 videos linked over here for you. And if that's still not enough for today, make sure you guys check out my Instagram and TikTok, which will be linked over here. With that said, guys, thank you as always for watching today's video, and make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.